Hi, so I thought I'd do a weekly update. I'm down in the down by the port, the other side of the port in Nice. A place called the Club Nautique de Nice. This place there. It's got a restaurant and stuff. I've never been, but and then behind you can see the chateau. I've just come from there because now it's October. They close. They closed the park at 6. So police actually came along and told me they were closing and I had to leave, so I just cycled down from there and I'm over here now. It's pretty busy over here. So this week on the markets is pretty volatile. Yeah, we were very weak on the S&P. We broke below 4,300 and it seems to be, but then again we're coming to the end of the weakest period. Over the last 20 years I did some data crunching, and the last 20 years, basically week 40 is the end of a very weak period on the S&P. So we can maybe expect some sort of strength into early October. I'm not sure, we'll have to see. The cryptos are doing well today. I noticed today's Saturday, and Saturday the 2nd of October. We've had quite a rally. I think Bitcoin was 47,000 when I left, and Ethereum's like 32,000 something. So they're doing quite well. We'll have to see how that goes. This week I took a loss. I actually made money on my shorts. You see all the dogs down here on the beach. It's a little beach here, and it's still quite busy. Yeah, so I took a loss on my longs, and that outweighed the gain I made on the shorts. So yeah, it was not really. It's not really a huge deal, but rather not make a loss if it's possible. So that was my week. I also had this ankle problem, and I'm out on the bike tonight because it's actually cycling is easier than walking. I've got this old sort of injury. I don't know. Maybe I screwed up my ankle doing too much mountain walking and jumping off mountains and going in the Alps and rock climbing and everything else when I was young. I think maybe I'm paying the price for it now. I don't know, but it's improved now. A couple of days ago it was really bad. I could scarcely walk. I needed crutches to walk. I needed crutches to get from my desk to the kitchen to make coffee. So yeah, tonight it's a lot better, and so yeah, that's we'll see what happens in the obviously, everybody, that's what you have to do as a trader. You can't force the market. The market will do what it will do. I often think it's just like the sea. The sea, if you've been sailing, you can't predict what the sea is going to do, and you can't influence it. You just have to react and know when it's too dangerous. So there's a nice little beagle there. Little beagle, and I think it's a Jack Russell. Charlie's with my wife tonight, so he's up in the park, and I'm on my bike. I didn't want to walk up to the park. My ankle's not really in good state to do that at the moment. Hopefully in the next few days it will get better, and so that's my update. If you're trading, well, we'll see what happens. I do believe the market will probably make new all-time highs between now and New Year. It will move to screw the maximum number of people possible, because that's what it always does. And those of us who can ride the waves, well, then we can profit from it. Okay, so bye.